So, do you want to see my trick that I gave to using, aka Flynn Riddle?
I chemically treated these thrusters so the flame could burn hotter and longer than any natural flame. You're gonna fly like the wind. Don't touch that. Or that. Oh my god, right there you go! Gotcha! Just messing with you. I knew that.
Next, do you want to see the trick I gave to Valiant, aka my little buddy?
Weeks to get to this fire on foot, but thanks to Varian's speed balloon and this direct route, we'll make it in a day.
Good job, buddy. Oh, wait, this takes you over Creston Lock. Creston Lock, the frozen sea, miles and miles of deadly wintry expanse.
That's the one.
No.
Well, if it were anybody other than you, I'd be worried.
Oh my gosh!
That's for your little balloon pranker. If it were anybody other than you.
Let's go watch that again, BRB, because it was so awesome.
Deadly wintry expanse.
What?
Well, if it were anybody other than you, I'd be worried. Who glued my boot to the ground? That's for your little balloon prank earlier. Never forget.
Oh my gosh, Eugene.